Now today student discuss about the practice set 2.1 question number 3. I think last lecture study about the question number 1 and question number 2. Then going to the question number 3. So I will write the equation in the form of a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the value of a, b, c for each equation. So I will write here first equation is x minus x bracket square is equal to 2x plus 3. Now listen here, in this equation you should solve first this bracket, then going to that side. So this bracket is solving by using the formula of a minus b bracket square. So a square minus twice ab plus b square. In this way this bracket is x square minus twice x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. Then this 2x plus 3 is going to the opposite side of equal sign, means in this side. So x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. This 2x is going to there, therefore there will be the minus sign, and here also 3 is going to there, therefore it is also a minus sign. And then this minus 2x and minus 2x, how much? Minus 4x. This minus 3 and plus 1, how much? Minus 2. Therefore is equal to 0. Then this equation x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0 is comparing with a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 2. In this way this first example is solved. Then second example, 3m square is equal to twice m square minus 9. So in this example 3m square minus twice m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Then 3m square minus 2m square, how much remain? Only 1m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Then 1m square plus 0m plus 9 is equal to 0. Now listen again here, this example is 3m square is equal to twice m square minus 9. This term twice m square minus 9 is going to the opposite side of equal to sign, therefore there will be the this positive sign converted to negative and negative sign converted to positive, and after the equal side does not any value remain, therefore there will be only 0. So this 3m square and this 2m square, they will be the subtracted. So 3m square minus 2m square is equal to 1m square plus this 9 is equal to 0. But I will write here one again term 0m, means what, this term is middle term, and then comparing with ax square plus, here also does not write x, you should write m, or a m square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Then write down the value of a is 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 9. In this way this second example is solved. Then another one, third example, 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. Now in this example, this is the bracket p into in bracket 3 plus 6p. This bracket is solved first, therefore 3p plus 6p square is equal to minus 5. This minus 5 is going to here, therefore there will be plus. Then 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0. Then comparing with a p square plus b p plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5. In this way this example is solved. Then question number 4, determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the quadratic equations or not. Some values are given there. This is the first example, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, and values is given x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So in these values you should solving this equation. First you should add the value of x is equal to 1 in this given equation, and then find out this value. After addition of this value, this equation is quadratic equation or not. So first substituting the x is equal to 1, substituting x is equal to 1, then 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then x square 1 into 1 1, or 1 square is 1, plus 4 into 1 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 plus 1 5 minus this 5 is equal to 0. Then 0 is equal to 0, means actually this side is the LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, and hence x is equal to 1 is the root of given above quadratic equation, then adding the second value x is equal to -4, then add or substitute x is equal to -1 in above equation. Now adding the value of x is equal to -1, instead of that x is equal to 1. Then -1 bracket square plus 4 into -1 is -5 is equal to 0. -1 into -1 is equal to 1, plus 4 into -1 is equal to -4, then -5 is equal to 0. Then -5 and -4 and -5 is equal to -9 is equal to 0. Then -8 is equal to 0. So LHS is not equal to RHS, and hence x is equal to -1 is not a root of the given quadratic equation. Now student is not the root of the given quadratic equation and is root of the given quadratic equation. These two words are very important for you. This equation, which equation is the root of the given क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन, दिलेल्या व्हॅल्यूंपैकी कोणती व्हॅल्यू त्या इक्वेशनचं समाधान करते, म्हणजेच 0 व्हॅल्यू आणते, ते आपण त्याचं रूट आहे असं म्हणतो. आणि त्या पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी आपण एकदा x इज इक्वल टू 1 घेतला आणि व्हॅल्यू ॲड केल्यानंतर उत्तर 0 आलं. यावरून आपण त्या इक्वेशनचं समाधान झालं असं म्हणतो आणि x इज इक्वल टू 1 इज द रूट ऑफ द गिवन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन असं लिहितो. परंतु जेव्हा x इज इक्वल टू -1 घेतला त्यावेळेस मात्र त्याची व्हॅल्यू वेगवेगळी आली आणि म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला x इज इक्वल टू -1 इज नॉट अ रूट ऑफ द गिवन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. या अशा पद्धतीने सॉल्व करायचं आहे. थोडंसं पुढे एक वेगळं उदाहरण मी तुम्हाला देतो. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. व्हॅल्यू दिलेले आहेत. m is equal to 2 and 5/2. So I will write this direct 5/2 value instead of m. Now substituting m is equal to 5/2, then twice 2 into 5/2 bracket square minus 5 into 5/2 is equal to 0. Then 2 into 25/4 minus 5 into 5/2 is equal to 0. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here only remains 25/2 minus 5 5s are 25/2 is equal to 0. Then 25/2 minus 25/2 is equal to 0 means LHS is equal to RHS, and hence M is equal to M is equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. In this way, this example is solved. Then listen here, the example 5. Find the k if x is equal to 3 is a root of equation k x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Means what actually? This x is equal to 3 is the root of that given quadratic equation, and then this x is equal to 3 is added on that instead of x, and then you should find the value of k. Now I will write here equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then substituting value of x is equal to 3, then k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 square is 9 minus 10 into 3 is 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then 9k minus 30 minus 3, how much remain? 30 minus 3, 27 is equal to 0. Then 9k is equal to 27. This 20 minus 27 is going to the opposite side of equal sign, and then taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore, no, not need for that line. K is equal to 27 upon 9. It is very simple. Then 9 3s are 27. In this way, the value of k is 3. Value of k is 3. Value of k is 3. विद्यार्थी मित्रो, इकडे लक्षात घ्या, या ठिकाणी त्यांनी उदाहरणात म्हटलेले फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ के इफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3 इज द रूट ऑफ इक्वेशन के एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस 10x प्लस 3. जर समजा केची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला काढायला लावलेली आहे, परंतु एक्स बरोबर 3 हा ह्या दिलेल्या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचा रूट आहे असं म्हटलेलं आहे, तर आपण काय करणार? ती दिलेली एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3 व्हॅल्यू त्या इक्वेशनमध्ये जिथं जिथं एक्स आहे तिथं तिथं पुटअप करणार, टाकणार, आणि त्यानंतर ते उदाहरण सोडवत चालणार. म्हणून या ठिकाणी एक्सच्या जागी 3 घेतला, इथं एक्सच्या जागी 3 घेतला, म्हणून 3चा वर्ग 9 आणि हा 3 गुणिले 10 30, पण मायनस साईन आहे आणि हे असे पद्धतीने लिहून घेतले 9k वजा 27 बरोबर 0. 30 मधनं 3 गेला, 27 उरतो, मायनस साईन मोठ्या संख्येचं चिन्ह इथे येईल, आणि मग पुढे हे वजा 27 इक्वल टूच्या साईनच्या त्या बाजूला गेले, ते धन झाले 27, आणि पुढे 9k हा 9kला गुणिले आहे, तो इकडे येताना भागिले होईल, 27/9 झाला, 9 त्रिक 27. या पद्धतीनं केची व्हॅल्यू 3 मिळाली. या पद्धतीनं आपण ही उदाहरण सोडवलं. आता ह्या एक्झरसाइजमध्ये फक्त एक एक्झाम्पल बाकी आहे ॲक्टिव्हिटी लेवलचं. तर सर्वांनी ते 6 नंबरचं उदाहरण होमवर्कच्या वहीमध्ये सोडवायचं. पूर्ण एक्झरसाइज आपला कंप्लीट झाला.